Hello viewers, welcome to Bangladeshi Canadian YouTube channel. I'm Azim. Today I will show you how you can properly do car wash in a coin car wash place by spending only a few bucks. Please come forward. We just need a few items. So today we were going to use the Mother's California Gold wax. It's a very good one, and also wash mitt. 2 buckets, one is for rinsing, another one is for making the car soap. Few drying towels. This one I will show you the trick, because as a Canadian we all have a snow cleaning brush. This one we will use it. This comes handy, and a bucket of water. So I'm gonna show you. Let's start. So the water I bring, I just put it half and half. I will show you why. First, we're gonna put $1. It will give us 1 minute. You can use water, you can use this soap. I don't want to use this soap because it's not that good, and the brush is usually dirty. So I will just use the water and rinse the car. You have to do it from top to bottom, but first I just make some start. See how I make a start. You see? I just put in some water. You just have to put a little bit. You don't have to put too much. A little bit. The water is fine. You see? We will go from top to bottom. Just like that. Now this one is done. See how I do? You dunk it. You have to take those wipers up and go from top to bottom, always. If you have a bigger vehicle, SUV, suburban, what you're gonna do, if hard to reach area, you can dunk your brush and do like that. Or you can use a stool if you want. This is really handy. The next step is we're gonna rinse the water with water, 1 drop. Make sure it's in rinse position. Okay? How much we spend? Only $2. Each dollar you get a minute of water, so that's good to go. Now it's time to dry your car. It's very easy. It just takes a few minutes to dry your car. I'm showing you the trick. First, go with the glasses. Now this is the additional step, you can follow it. So to put dry dressing, just need to clean that. So dry dressing, I found this one, mother's, this is the Armor All one, this is really good one. You just need a few one, that one is enough. You see how I put it. I just make a round. And after half an hour, it looks really shiny and looks good. Little bit of it, it's okay. Little bit of it. And last one. This one is done. So the final step is the glass cleaning. So you have to always remember that when you clean the glasses, do not forget to clean your wiper blades. It's all gunk inside, so I'm showing you this additional step how you can clean your glasses. So this one I'm using this Simon's glass cleaner. It is tint safe. Make sure I have the aftermarket tint. If you have factory tint, aftermarket tint, do not use normal glass cleaner. So what I like to do, so look at the car, how it came out. You know, we just spent only $2 in that car washing bay, and we used our own soap. So a soap, mother's the car soap with wax is only around $8 to $9. You can wash around 14 to 15 times. So if you do the math, we spent only $2.50 for a great car wash. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Bye for today. Thanks.